My dear students, from today I will teach you the chapter of differentiation. For introduction, first I will tell you chain rule. Then afterwards, the derivative of trigonometric functions, derivative of algebraic functions, derivative of inverse trigonometric functions, derivative of logarithm functions, and derivative of variable to the power variable, derivative of implicit function, derivative of explicit functions, and so on. But first of all, we have to learn these formulas. There are 25 formulas of this chapter, and I will tell you, take the screenshot of these 17 formulas which I have written it here. Afterwards, I will write my another 8 formulas, and first I will just tell you the method how you can remember this. That is very important. So first I am telling you, take the screenshot of it. I will tell you how you can remember all the formulas. First of all, derivative of x to the power n. X to the power n. Here mind it. All x, these x are variable. Other things are constant. So x to the power n is constant. The formula is n into x to the power n minus 1. X to the power 5 into x to the power 4, x to the power minus 10 into x to the power minus 11, and so on. E to the power x. It is the only formula in this table which has its own reflection. E to the power x is equal to e to the power x. E to the power x differentiation is equal to e to the power x. A to the power x. A to the power x ln a. A is a constant quantity. Again, e to the power x, x variable. It is in this variable x is in power. A to the power x ln a. Ln x is equal to 1 by x. ये बच्चों लोग ये जो काम है ना ln x, ये log x में बोलता हूँ. इसी उम्र में जो लव करता है वो गिर के पड़ता है, इसीलिए ln x का बाद देखो 1 by x गिर के पड़ गया. तो log x with base a 1 by x ln a. So now I am telling you the formula of sine. You have to remember the serial: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Sine का sine cos माइनस साइन, tan एक छोड़ दो, फिर उसका बाद sec स्क्वायर, cot एक छोड़ दो, फिर उसका बाद माइनस को sec स्क्वायर x. Sec. If you want to handsec someone, then what we will do? You sec with, suppose I am secking with, I am Sriram, I am handshaking with Sri Krishna. Then how I will do? Myself is here, another way Sri Krishna is there. Similarly, sec x itself sec is there. और उसका फ्रेंड कौन है? tan है. sec x into tan x. वो जो काम करेगा ये वो ही काम करेगा. cosec x का क्या है? ना cosec minus cosec x into cot x. So remember here there are three. Here one c, here one c, here one c. I am ticking it. This c, and this c. This c, where there is c, there is minus. Where there is c, there is minus. So again I am telling sine, cos, sine. These two are similar. Now tan, cot. tan का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? उसको छोड़ के sec square x. cot का उसको छोड़ के cosec square x. तो माइनस c. So इसलिए it is minus again. I am telling you again, sin x cos x minus sin x, tan x sec square x, cot x minus cosec square x, and sec x into tan x, cosec x minus cosec x into cot x. You have to write the formulas first. First you write the left sides. Then after that, after filling the left sides of 15 formulas, then only you write the right sides. After that you will give mark to yourself how many marks you have obtained from it. Next, so that in 3 to 4 times you can remember all. So, look at there: sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse, sec inverse, cosec inverse. Sine inverse सब ये सब का एक ही बात है. 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by. Very good. Then देखो दो फॉर्मूला, ये दो एक ही बात है, ये दो एक ही बात है, ये दो एक ही बात है. What is that? First formula, if you will remember this, it is nothing minus of this. If you remember this, nothing is for this. If you remember this, nothing is for this. So I am removing this and again here C minus C minus C minus. Look at here. Sorry, I mistakenly forgotten cosec inverse x is minus 1 by mod x into x square minus 1 root over. You have to write it. I have done it. A little mistake is there. Okay, you can correct it. Now I am explaining you how you will remember these formulas from 12 to 17. Now I have already told you d by dx of sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse, sec inverse, cosec inverse सब 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by. लेकिन फर्स्ट दोनों का हेलमेट है, मतलब उसका रूट ओवर है. बीच वाले का हेलमेट नहीं है, मतलब उसका रूट ओवर नहीं है. लास्ट दोनों का हेलमेट है, मतलब रूट ओवर है. लेकिन बीच वाला का क्यों नहीं, मैं ये बता रहा हूं. सपोज एक मोटरसाइकिल में 3 आदमी गए, 3 आदमी जा सकते हैं कि नहीं? नहीं. सपोज 2 आदमी के, आजकल तो 2 आदमी के लिए हेलमेट कंपलसरी हो गया. सब बीच में एक फ्रेंड तुम्हारा आ गया, बोला कि मैं थोड़ा कुछ दूर के लिए जाने के लिए चाह रहा हूँ, मुझे थोड़ा हेल्प करो. तो उसको कहाँ बैठाओगे? बीच में बैठाओगे. जो राइडिंग करेगा उसका हेलमेट होगा, जो सब पूरा पीछे उसका हेलमेट होगा, बीच वाला का नहीं होगा. इसलिए पहले दोनों का हेलमेट होगा, लास्ट वाला का हेलमेट होगा, लेकिन बीच वाला का हेलमेट नहीं होगा. वेरी ऑब्वियसली इट इज लाइक दिस. सो फर्स्ट यू टेल मी, ये साइन इनवर्स का बात है, तो टेल मी 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, 1 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. इस तीनों में कौन सा रिजल्ट तुमको दे सकता है? तो 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा का स्क्वायर थीटा देगा, वही फॉर्मूला में आएगा. बाकी दोनों फॉर्मूला में रिजल्ट नहीं दे सकते हैं. सो इसलिए 1 माइनस साइन इनवर्स का बात जब आएगा तो 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर होगा, 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. So if we will come to tan inverse x, then what will happen? Then tell me 1 minus tan square theta result. So ये दोनों नहीं आएगा फॉर्मूला. 1 minus tan square theta result नहीं देगा. 1 plus tan square theta and it gives you the result sec square theta. And tan square theta minus 1 will not give you result. So 1 plus tan square theta gives you sec square theta. 1 tan square theta minus 1 will not give you any result. 1 minus sec square theta will not give you any result. 1 plus sec square theta will not give you any result. And sec square theta minus 1 gives you tan square theta. What is the link of this to this formula? Look at here. If sin inverse case will be there, then the formula is 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. No chance of 1 plus x square minus 1 is not there. And when the case of tan inverse x will come, then 1 minus x square never possible. Tan x square minus 1 never possible. Only possible is 1 plus x square. If sec inverse and cosec inverse case will come, then the formula will be x square minus 1. X square minus 1. X square minus 1 will be there. So here 1 minus x square root over. Here 1 minus x square root over. Here x square minus 1 root over. X square minus 1 root over. Another thing is there in cosec inverse x. I have told you already. In sec x, the derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. In sec inverse x, the derivative is mod x into x square minus 1. Two things will be multiplied here. So similarly, if this is this minus of 1 by mod x into x square minus 1 root over, tan inverse x, no helmet means no root over, only 1 by 1 plus x square root over. You have to remember 17. Then I will tell you from 18 to 25. before going for 8 formulas, now I am explaining one of them. Okay, how sine inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 minus x square. Let y is equal to sine inverse x. Then clearly x is what? X is sine y. What is d by dy of x? It is d by dy of sine y. It is called dx by dy. It is jointly written as dx by dy. Never think dd cancel then x by y. Never think like that. It is an operation. D by dx of x. It is operation. Sine of y. It is operation, not sine into y. Sine inverse x means sine inverse operates on x. Similarly, dx by dy is d by dy of cos sine y. It is what? Cos y. What is dy by dx? You should remember, this is one of the formula. It is 1 by dx by dy. It is what? 1 by cos y. 1 by cos y. You know, if sin y is x, then what is cos y? I am writing here dy by dx is equal to. If sin y is x, then what is cos y? Tell me. Cos y will be 1 minus, cos y will be 1 minus x square root over 1 minus x square root over. Cos y is equal to 1 minus what? Sin square y root over. Sin square y is x. So it is 1 by 1 minus x square root over. As the value of cos y is written here 1 by 1 minus x square root over. Someone maybe किसी का मन में ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, साइन इनवर्स का बात क्या है? साइन इनवर्स x, you don't think it is 1 by sin x, or you don't think also sin inverse x 1 by sin of x. It is not at all multiplication. How it comes, I am telling you for 1 minute. If sin 30 degree is equal to half, suppose tan 45 is equal to 1, this implies sin inverse half is equal to pi by 6. sin 30 degree वैल्यू का sin 30 डिग्री का वैल्यू हाफ है. sin इनवर्स हाफ मतलब ये है किसका वैल्यू हाफ है? साइन में किसका वैल्यू हाफ है? तुमको बोलना पड़ेगा पाई बाय 6 का. सिमिलरली tan 45 डिग्री का वैल्यू कितना है? 1. You will tell tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. मतलब tan inverse 1, tan में किसका वैल्यू 1 है? तुमको बोलना पड़ेगा pi by 4. Here you have to remember sin inverse x is not equal to 1 by sin x, और sin inverse means 1 by sin x. ये बिल्कुल नहीं है, उसको दिमाग में हटाना पड़ेगा. ओके, see it again. sin inverse half is equal to pi by 6. मतलब sin pi by 6 is equal to half. Sin tan pi by 4 1. Similarly, tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. If tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4, then tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Similarly, if sin inverse x, it gives you suppose sin theta is equal to x. This implies and implied by sin inverse x is equal to theta. Sin inverse x is equal to theta, then sin theta is equal to x. You have to remember these 3 formula. Then afterwards I will tell you how it comes. Then only you will read. And when I will teach you the inverse trigonometry formula, then at that time I will tell you briefly how it comes, then what is its role. Okay? Now I am telling you the formula 18 to 25. I am writing here. Take the screenshot. Then I will tell you how you will remember. d by dx of any constant, the derivative is 0. Any constant into fx, इसका मतलब है वो जो constant वो बाहर में निकल आएगा. See, then do the d by dx of this fx. Derivative of u plus or minus, it is very simple. Derivative of u, if plus is there, then take plus sign. If minus is there, take minus sign. Derivative of u into v, u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. How you will remember it here? This is and 23. They are very interesting. Now uvw, uv, then the derivative of w, uw, derivative of v, uw, then derivative of, it is derivative of u. How you will remember? Suppose two persons are there and there is one Latin. Then how you, if u is outside the Latin and v goes to finish his work, then v is outside, u goes to do his work. Okay. Similarly, if three persons are there and there is one Latin, then how will do? U v is outside, then w goes, uw outside, v goes, and uw at that time the position of u can't imagine. Uw is outside, then derivative of u. Okay. Similarly, here derivative of u into v. They are very similar. Now u by v. Sorry. And uw not. Here it is vw. Here uv, here uw, here vw. Each time here u is outside, u is inside the Latin, then vw outside. If v is inside, then uw outside. If w is outside, then w is inside, then uv is outside. Yeah, but this is the formula of u by v. U by v, and you have to remember it. You have seen the video display unit, VDU. V derivative of u minus u derivative of v, u into derivative of v by v square. So formula of u by v, tell me. V derivative of u minus u derivative of v by v square. Now last two formula, derivative of root x, it is coming from the formula 1, x to the power n, here x to the power half, root x, half, derivative of x to the power half into x to the power half minus 1, means half x to the power minus half, means 1 by x to the power minus half is what? 1 by root x. So root x का derivative कितना है? 1 by 2 root x. Similarly, x 1 by x means x to the power what? X to the power minus 1. X to the power minus 1 means derivative of x to the power minus 1. It is minus 1 into x to the power minus 2. So minus 1 into x to the power minus 2. So it is minus 1 by x square. Okay. Now I will go to teach you the chain rule. Now chain rule, I have explained you the chain rule very interesting manner. Look at me. D by dx of x square plus 1. It is simply d by dx of x square. It is d by dx of x to the power n. D by dx of x to the power n कितना? N into x to the power n minus 1. If I will write it d by dx of x square, then it becomes what? D by dx of x square 2x to the power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means x to the power 1. So d by dx of x square is 2x and derivative of 1 is constant. So derivative 1 is what? 0. Then tell me what is d by dx? It is my 1, it is 2. D by dx of x square plus 1, x square plus 1 whole square. So what I will do it here? Look at here. Plus 1 whole square. D by dx. What is x square plus 1 whole square? A plus b the whole square. A square means x. 4 plus 2ab means 2x square plus b square means 1. It is equal to d by dx of x fourth plus d by dx of 2x square plus d by dx of what? 1. This is d by dx of x fourth. It is what? 4 into x to the power 4 minus 1. X cube plus 2 will come outside. What is its derivative of x square? Clearly it is 2x. Now result is 4x cube plus 4x. Now taking common 4x. It becomes x square plus 1. Now number 3, d by dx of x square plus 1 whole cube is equal to d by dx. What is x square plus 1 whole cube? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube means x square of cube, x to the power 6 plus 3 a square. A square means x square of square, x fourth, a 3 a square b is 1 plus 3 a means what? X square into b square 1 square, that is 1 plus 1 cube 1. Now I will go to derive d by dx of x to the power 6 plus d by dx of 3x fourth plus d by dx of 3x square plus d by dx of 1. d by dx of x to the power 6. It is simply 6 into x to the power 6 minus 1 plus this 3 is constant. It is multiplied with the x fourth. So this is c fx. C will come outside. So 3 come outside into derivative of x to the power 4. 4x to the power 4 minus 1 plus similarly 3 into x square. 3 into what? X square. 3 will come outside. 3 into derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. And you know it is derivative of 1 is 0. Now it is what? It is 6x5 plus 12x cube plus 6x. And you have to take common 6x. Then it becomes x4 plus 6x. Then it becomes 2x square plus 1. Then it becomes 6x into x fourth plus 2x square plus 1. It becomes what? X square plus 1 whole square. Now combining this 1, 2, 3 and writing in one place, what will happen? Note it down. It becomes what? The result is derivative of x square plus 1. Result is what? 4x into x square plus 1. This 4x into x square plus 1, I am writing it 2 into x square plus 1 into 2x. Means it is 4x into x square plus 1. Now I am writing that formula again. What is that? It is number 3. d by dx of x square plus 1 whole cube. Answer is what? d by dx of x square plus 1. It is 6x into x square plus 1 the whole square. 6x. I am writing it 3 into x square plus 1 into 3 into x square plus 1 whole square into what? Into 2x. Now my point is coming here. If now you have derived this derivative by expanding it and this formula by expanding, without expanding माने ना खोल के you should tell what is the formula of d by dx of x square plus 1 to the power 10. Tell me what is the formula. It is clearly here 3 is coming out, 2 is coming out. Now what will come out? 10. If power 3, then it is power 2. If power 2, then it is power 1. Then if it is power 10, then it will become x square plus 1 to the power 9 into 2x. Okay? If I will tell you number 5, if I will tell you d by dx x square plus 1 to the power n, then it becomes what? N into x square plus 1 to the power what? N minus 1 into what? 2x. Okay? This is the formula. Now, but question arises, where the 2x is coming? Tell me where the 2x is coming. Can you tell me? Think where 2x is coming. Then I will write, is there this any relation between 2x with my question? This 2x, is this 2x related with my question? Is this question? Yes. The relation is this. d by dx of x square, d by dx of x square plus 1 to the power n is equal to n into x square plus 1 to the power n minus 1 into d by dx. I am linking only this. I am linking with x square plus 1. So it is clearly derivative of x square plus 1. Now look at here. d by dx of x square plus 1 to the power n is n into x square plus 1 to the power n minus 1 into d by dx of x square plus 1. Now, what is the original chain rule formula? Now comes like this. In my manner, it is d by dx, any variable to the power n, any variable to the power n, it becomes, sorry, I am writing it here, any variable to the power n, then it becomes n into that variable power what? N minus 1 into d by dx of what? That variable. That variable, I am giving a big box here. Similarly, in every formula I will tell like this. Next, if I will tell you like this, d by dx, example, if I will tell you derivative of x square plus 5x plus 7 to the power 18, then it becomes what? Tell me. It is n. N means here 18. 18 into x square plus 5x plus 7 to the power 17 into d by dx into d by dx of x square plus 5x plus 7. It becomes 18 into x square plus 5x plus 7 to the power 17 into d by dx of x square is what? It is 2x into plus 2x. Take a bracket here. Derivative of x square 2x, derivative of 5x 5, and derivative 7 is 0. And this is the formula, this is the result of x square plus 5x plus 7 to the power 18. Similarly, if anyone will ask you, take the screenshot of this, and if anyone will ask you about d by dx of tan cube x, suppose somebody ask you a formula, example 2, d by dx of tan cube x. What is this? This is d by dx. What is tan cube? Tan x whole cube. It becomes box to the power n. मतलब box to the power 3. It becomes 3 into what is box? Tan x. What is power? 3 minus 1, 2 into d by dx of tan x. It becomes 3 tan x square, tan square x into derivative of tan x. What is derivative of tan x? It is sec square x. Okay? Now, I have taught you d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n x to the power n minus 1. Now I am telling you d by dx of anything to the power n is equal to n box to the power n minus 1. Next. Sorry. And d by dx, you know d by dx of e to the power x is e to the power x. Now here d by dx of e to the power anything is e to the power that thing into, sorry, d by dx of that thing into d by dx of that thing. Now similarly d by dx of a to the power x, it is what? A to the power x into ln a with its proper condition a not equal to 1 and a must be greater than 0. D by dx of a to the power box, it is equal to a to the power box ln a into d by dx of that box. Similarly, d by dx of ln x, it is what? It is equal to 1 by x, and d by dx of ln box, it is 1 by box into d by dx of that box. Similarly, d by dx of log x with base a, you know it, 1 by x ln a, and here d by dx of log box with base a is equal to 1 by box a into d by dx of box. Note it. I will tell you. Mind it. I am doing one example of here. It is just a chain. You have already think one man is riding one bicycle. How it's roll by. सपोज वन एक आदमी ने साइकिल चला रहे हैं, थोड़ा सोच के देखो कैसे साइकिल चल रहा है। पहले उसको पहले उसका काम है पेडल मारना। पेडल में एक क्रैंक है बड़ा सा, वो क्या करता है, उसमें एक चेन है, उसमें एक चेन है, वो पच्छा पीहा को वो क्या करता है, वो जो व्हील है उसको रोटेट करता है। वो जब जो छोटा वाला जो व्हील है एक्सिल है, वो व्हील को रोटेट करता है। वो जो व्हील वो आगे जाने से आगा वाला व्हील को आगे लेता है। इसलिए जैसे साइकिल की तरह दिस इज चेन रूल, उसका रोल ऐसा है। सपोज आई एम गिविंग वन एग्जांपल हियर, y is equal to sin e to the power x square plus 1. Here, look at here. One wheel is here. Suppose this wheel is called as sine, and it is e, and that is x square plus 1. First I will think what? First I will what I will tell. After that I will put the box. I am telling you sine e to the power x square. First I am telling you the what? Sine. Then sine box. Here I am writing one formula. D by dx of sine x is cos x. D by dx of sine box is what? Sine box. Naturally it is cos box into d by dx of that box. Now look at here, sine box. Sine box. Answer is first cos box. So dy by dx. It is cos box. Cos. What is that box? Box e to the power x square plus 1 into d by dx into d by dx of box. What is that box? E to the power x square plus 1. So उसका बात फिनिश हो गया. Cos e to the power x square plus 1 into what is d by dx e to the power x square plus 1 e to the power x square plus 1. Look, come here. E to the power box. E to the power box. What is the result? E to the power box into d by dx of box. E to the power box. Box means x square plus 1 into derivative of x square plus 1. Tell me the result. Derivative of x square plus 1. That is what? Derivative of x square plus derivative of 1. That is 2x. Now I am writing some cos e to the power x square plus 1 into e to the power x square plus 1 into 2x. This has a result 2x. Okay? I have told you already the formula of sine backsaw. It is cos backsaw d by dx backsaw. Now I am writing d by dx of, not I am writing tan x. It is already you know. Tan backsaw sec square box d by dx of box. Cot box minus cosec square x d by dx of box. Sec box sec box is sec box in tan box derivative box. Cosec box minus cosec box cot box derivative box. D by dx sin inverse box 1 by 1 minus box square into d by dx box. D by dx cos inverse box. Similarly this, and d by dx of tan inverse box is 1 by 1 plus box square into d by dx of that box. D by d cot inverse x cot inverse box, similarly you know, and sec inverse box it is 1 by 1 minus box square into the box square minus 1 root over d by dx box, and it is modulus cos inverse cosec inverse x. Similarly it is this. First you have to remember, and I will tell the formula also when I will do the problem. Take the screenshot of this formula. Somebody asked me, sir, if e to the power box is e to the power box derivative of box, then why it is not happening here? Actually it is happening here. Then what is the answer? E to the power x. It is e to the power, suppose you think it is box, e to the power box x into d by dx of that x, which is 1. So in this side it is not written d by dx of x, it is 1, d by dx of this x 1. It is not clearly it is not mentioned here. You have to remember this box sides only. Okay. Now I have given 10 problems. First you take the screenshot of the problems and you should solve by yourself. After that you should see what is my answer and what you are doing, so that you can know how to solve the problems. If you will listen only, then nothing will be happen. You first go through the problem, do it by yourself, then look at my answers. And some important things. Here it is x, the question is x. Here x, 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 x. Here x, x.